Guess who's back?
Oh, I looked ugly in that. When it comes to the part,
I'm gonna pan to you.
I'm gonna go wild. She went. Ooh, she got cute. Honestly, I don't even think you as a person.
Turn it up.
Oh my god. Oh my god, I wish I still had my speaker with the bass. Fun. He fucks with the vision. Turn it up. This is a party. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Let's go over here. Sit around. Chicken. Wanna play with my sippy chicken? Oh my god. Smells like that.
Look, it's a letter from our friends. Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out.
He made it up like a little bird with a worm. Hold on.
Croissant. Oh, yeah. Oh.
I'm jujuing and stabbing.
Get that advertisement out of my way.
Shit.
I can't put that in. It looks like cat. Oh, it's a panda.
Croissant. 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 Croissant.
Is it Milo? Oh my god.
Say, why are you here? Shut the doors! Someone.
It's Baldy.
I got.
I have my clock. Brought my clock.
What is that?
Oh,
Is that a
listen
cat?
to it. No, that's what I said. No, it's a
I
panda.
just want to know, is this too many gumballs?
Oh.
Put them away.
I want them and I don't want them.
I do.
Oh my god.
There's so many. Bye. I want to throw up. How many did you eat?
None. I've been like. My dad had like.
Oh. Oh. Cyclap. They won't stop coming.
Probably not the words.
Actually, it actually is.
Actually.
Actually,
It actually is. So.
why is my house so red?
The effects. I love TJ Maxx.
I went to TJ Maxx today. We were there yesterday. They didn't provide. This isn't as funny as I thought it would be.
Get this out of my face.
Do not comment.
Oh, this is my favorite video. Make it big.
Say, I started a religion from this video.
This man is my god.
Whole chicken dinner. Bah!
Hit them phone.
Hit them phone. Hit them phone.
This is ice.
Mm-hmm.
Guys, I saw this picture on Instagram. Turn that off really fast because I'm gonna.
Bella! Brainy.
4 gumballs from my mother now.
Ew. This is so hard.
Oh! Ew.
Oh, throw up. I need to leave the room.
It's okay. Oh, she gets gum.
What about bubble?
Ew! Oh! Ah.
There's so much spit.
I can't breathe.
I'm gonna throw up.
It's blocking her airways. Call 911.
Good. Joe.
Oh my god, they're having sex.
Everyone help. I'm choking.
Is everybody okay? Extra.
Number 5, ladies and gentlemen.
That's number 8. Oh.
This is my 5th gumball.
I'm on my third.
I think Milo will win.
I'm only on 5.
Yeah, but you gotta have start for like 30 minutes.
I don't care.
Shut the hell up.
Oh wow.
How do I open this? My gum.
Oh, it was
Honestly, you're
$1.
not even a good.
I don't care. I'm just gonna open it. Honestly, I don't like
Where'd
this
you get
brand. It's so cute.
Target.
I got $1. I got 1 too for myself.
I don't remember saying that, but I don't remember why I said that either.
Honestly, I don't even like